What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl YAMANI Plush Thizzle, and I'm just coming through with a video for a restoration that I did on a wig that I was doing because I was totally bored in the house due to quarantine. So I just took an old wig that I've made years and years and years ago, and as you can see, the hair is still viable. Now, as far as the goddamn frontal, girl, that thing is beat to shit. But I'm gonna make it work because that's what I do, and I pride myself on restoration and just basically getting it together. So as you can see, it already got baby hairs and elastic bands on it. We're gonna cut those off. And why does it have two? Anyway, I made this a few years ago, so this just shows you where my growth is, and I'm just gonna see if I can challenge myself. So now that I removed the bands, I'm just basically going to begin my process, in which I do. And now I'm gonna put the T-pins on it onto my mannequin, and I'm just gonna get it secure onto that mannequin because I need to do what I need to do, and it has to be stabilized. So I'm gonna go in and do my rough cut, and this wig already had layers, so I'm basically just gonna go in and even it all out to my liking before I do the final cut. And this is just to get things going a little bit, and so I don't waste bleach basically. So I'm about to bleach this unit. If you guys didn't already know, I'm about to bleach this wig, and it's unnecessary for me to do extra work on longer hair when I could just do a rough cut. Get it? Got it. I'm still cutting, I'm still cutting, I'm still cutting and measuring and cutting and balancing and cutting. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get it all like good and trying to get most of that hair off, that unwanted hair that I'm not going to use anyway. So now I'm putting the hair in sections because, as you guys know, I'm about to bleach this hair. So I'm just making sure it's secure in the back, and I'm just going to take it and clip it off into 4 sections. 2 in the back and 2 towards the top, and that makes it easier for when I go into bleach. It's not so much hair all over the place. It's not as chaotic. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my 4 sections, and yep, we jumped right ahead, girl, because I'm trying to make these videos shorter for y'all. So I have my hair all bleached off in its sections, and as you can see, I just finished the top. I'm taking all the foil off, and I'm just doing that to make sure that I got everything covered. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to lightly brush through the hair and add my last layer of bleach to make sure that every strand is covered in bleach. But what I did make sure to do is that I kept at least half of an inch of the roots dark, because I wanted dark roots. I feel like dark roots just look so good on me, and I can't do full blonde. I don't know why, even though this isn't a blonde wig. I just can't do full color. Now I'm just going to tie a bag on it so the bleaching process could continue under my ring light, because light helps the heat, and the heat, you know, produces the bleaching, blah, blah, blah. I didn't go to cosmetology school, y'all. I'm sorry. So once I washed it and I did some purple shampoo, this is the result I have. I have like, and then I also added the color. This is the color that I got from those oranges and the browns that I used. I got this pretty like honey orangey brown, like this rustic brown. I can't explain it, but it's really pretty. Really pretty. It has some highlights in there. It has some low lights. It has some, you know, some, I don't want to say beige because it's not blonde, but it's a very like cherry wood color that I love. So now I'm just going in and doing the final cuts. I'm laying everything out. I'm making sure everything is straight. Both sides are even. I'm just giving it its final cut just to make sure before I start styling that it's the exact cut that I wanted. I wanted a long bob, so I'm just going in and achieving that look to make sure that I'm not doing anything unnecessary. Right here, I'm taking some bio silk on like a larger section of the hair, and I'm just gonna go in and press it out with my Kaposi flat iron that I got from Amazon, and I'm using it on 350 degrees. And this is the best flat iron I ever purchased in my life, y'all. Like, seriously, this flat iron gets the job done, girl. If you want anything straight, this is the flat iron to go to. And I think I spent about under 40 bucks for it. So it was definitely a steal. You see that steam? Oof, child. So now I'm just gonna do this all throughout the head. I'm pretty sure you guys seen flat iron. People flat iron hair a million times. So I'm just gonna, in each beg section, I'm just gonna keep adding that bio silk, and I'm gonna go in and, you know, give that hair a slight bump to it. And this is what I have so far. I'm just showing you guys my progress. You see those colors? Oh my God, that cherry wood orange is just so pretty with that brown. So pretty. You see the highlights of it, and the bottom is like a peekaboo kind of effect. I really love it. It's giving me different, you know, shades that I like. I don't like uniform look a lot of times. It just doesn't look realistic. This looks so realistic. It has a whole bunch of highlights in it, and to me, it works. This is the final product, and I'm so proud of it. It's so pretty. And yeah, you guys are about to see this heifer transform. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am so satisfied with it. It looks so good on me. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Holla at your girl on Instagram at YAMANI PLUSH _. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a comment down below. See what you would like to see me do in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see more videos like this. And I love you guys. Peace.